Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about the 16-35 f4 IS. To those of you who don't know, I'm a Canon shooter. I become a full-time photographer here in Dubai, and I'm going to tell you my real-life experience using this lens. Now, if you're a Canon user and you just shifted to RF system, I recommend you to buy the 15-35 f2.8 image stabilize. But if you're on a tight budget and you're starting your YouTube channel, if you want to vlog, or if you're into real estate photography, if you want to shoot some B-roll using this lens, it's possible. Everything is possible with this lens. Now, there's only two reasons why you want to settle for this lens, is because it's the IS and it's cheap. There are two kinds of Canon 16-35. One is the f2.8 and one's the f4. The f2.8 has 3 versions and the f4 has only 1 version. The only difference is the extra added stop, and there's no IS on the f2.8, but on the f4 it is image stabilized. So you get that creamy, super smooth if you're gonna use it on video, which I do most of the time. Two things why you want to buy this lens is because it's of the price. It is very cheap. It's just $1,400 US dollars. And if it's in dirhams, it's 5,900 dirhams. The second one is the image stabilization. My experience using this lens on a RF system, I'm using RP and the R6, and it is adapted by the EF to RF adapter. So this is how long it is. Now, why are you buying a wide angle lens? Are you just going to use it for vlogging, or if you're into real estate, if you want to dive into real estate photography, what's that, star photography and all that stuff? That's not the case. You can use this on a wedding, on a really any kind of shoot. I've used this on a corporate e-commerce website, exercise video, everything. I use this lens. It's super versatile. You could use it anywhere. For example, I'm shooting a wedding and I want to tell a story about the place. I use this, put it on the R6, it's on a gimbal, and I stabilize the hotel. Obviously I'm shooting it on a 16mm, so that I want to tell the people that this is how beautiful the place is. Now, if you're on a 24, it's still gonna work. With that extra focal length, extra wide focal length, it's just immersive. Then, if you want to use this as like a B-roll for slow motion montage and all that stuff, you can use it, zoom it into 35. You don't have to change your lens into a prime lens. If you have a prime lens 35, no need for that. You can use this as a B-roll lens. Most of the recent videos that I uploaded in this channel are shot using this lens, the 16-35. You already have the 24-70, and if you're planning to go wider up to 16, if you're using RF system, there is a 16mm prime. You can just get that instead of this. It's going to be amazing, but the downside is you just have to switch the lens over and over again. But if you have two bodies, then that's not going to be a problem. One will be 24-70 and one will be the 16mm. Right? That's a perfect setup right there. If you want to go wider than a 24mm, definitely a buy the 16-35. It's still worth it. You can use it for vlogging, for real estate photography, weddings and all that stuff. Establish that you want to establish using the 16-35, and then if you want to do a dramatic shot, you can zoom into 35, and really it's just super duper amazing. Plus, it's very affordable. And that's been it. Thanks for watching this video. Thumbs if you like it. Comment down below if you have any questions about the 16-35 f4. If you want to collaborate here in UAE, shoot me an email. Let's do this. Again, thanks for watching. Stay safe.